Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you're good. I am here with the last three of the Oldies but Goodies Gen X ATC cards, and then we're caught up, and you will see one a week from now on. I shouldn't say we're not done because we have till the end of the year. So the first one is Pound Puppies. We all remember the Pound Puppies, aren't they cute? My ATC for the Pound Puppies. Just some bling, a cute background, and the Pound Puppies. And then Muppet Babies. And then Casper, the friendly ghost. So I found a creepy house, found Casper flying. And then were the ATCs I did for this week. I like the Casper one. Okay, because that is dimensional. So he's pretty cool. Pound Puppies, Muppet Babies, and Casper. So, thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. See you next week with Novembers.